Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
All right, this is 3553 Seaglen. Seaglen's the last street down towards the ocean in area 168, Mira Lest. And boy, this has a big ocean view. Spanish pavers up front with a little patio here and the see-through roof, which is nice. Oh, and on the other side of the street, there's one house here, and then it's all open down that way. Meaning there's no other homes on the hillside. So that's nice. It is a cul-de-sac street. All right, coming on in. Nice big open area here. Got a downstairs living room, fireplace. Comes around to your dining over here. It's an interesting staircase, but it works. This comes on into the kitchen. Fairly original condition. Drop down ceiling, so forth. Tile. Cabinets original. Stoves original. There's cupboards and pantry here. Comes right into the nook. Kind of a family room. And then you come out here to the view. Huge view. Huge. Looking up towards Terranea on the other side. So that tree looks like it's just on the other side of the line, but I'm sure you can get some permission to trim it. You're looking right over the Trump Golf Club. So Catalina's over here. There's the isthmus right there. So west end here. And then sunset's way up that way. But from this angle you actually would get quite a bit of sunset. Normally you have to look towards Malibu, but yeah, I'm not sure where Malibu will be up in the distance. But boy, is this beautiful. All this open. All this grass. 2 red-tailed hawks flying up there. Gorgeous. Coming back in. Nice patio here. Trellis. Into the living room. Kitchen combo. There is one room downstairs. So that would have a view too. The blinds are drawn by probably 15 by 12. And then there's a bathroom here, full bath. The tile. And the pedestal sink, but original. And then laundry and direct access. It's a 3-car garage. An extra fridge in here. A little workbench in the back. Big garage. So, master up top. Could have a huge view. The way it's set up is, it's got the overhang here. So for me, I'm tall. Can't really see. This is pretty interesting. There's a shower. Sink in the area. And then this, it's like a sunroom. Goes right next door to this room. So these windows are newer. They're vinyl retro. So they're dual paned. And Jack and Jill. So here's the bath. There's no sink on this side, just a vanity. But the sink's in here, and then it goes into this room. And this room looks out down onto the downstairs. So this could be an office. Good view from here too. Come on, focus in. You can see the cliff line all the way up to Terranea. So, interesting. This feels like a pergo floor back in the master. So, could use a little work, but a lot of potential.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.